hard time to get them in the right position. There we go. There we go. What do y'all think? So it's good to have one of these. Do you see that's an actual hard comb for your, this is a Mary Kay one. It has a liner brush on the end, a hard comb on this end, and also a eyebrow brush. It's a good tool. If you see one of these, I think EcoTools makes one too. I'm not positive. Do you hear that? It's that hard. It's like an actual brush. I mean comb. Hard comb. And so if you ever have like goops and globs on your lashes, just put that right at the base and comb through straight up like that. Don't do like this. Do like that. And go have your lashes go right through them, and it will pull it right off. Keep that little booger handy. Yes, yes, oh yes. Okay, so this is my finished look. I know it took us a long time to get here. A lot of talking, a lot of good times, good times. I need to take this to be washed. And did I show y'all everything? No, I didn't. How much time do I have? Where's my glasses? I want coffee. Oh, I've already gone over. So I might as well. I'll just leave my glasses on. Alright, I need some coffee. That is delicious. Okay. It left a little bit on the cup. I think because I have too many products on. Yeah, there's stuff coming off on my tongue. Yeah. But I think that's because I did both this CoverGirl and this Superstay. And they are, this is Maybelline Superstay ink, matte ink. This is CoverGirl, and I think I shouldn't have used these together. And then on top of that, because neither one of them offered a gloss product in the tube, this comes with this. It's two separate things, but they come together. And I think adding that on top gave me a nice shine. But I don't like it. I don't like it. I won't be. I think part of it is that I used a matte paint first. I think that's a lot of it, actually. Okay. In this little bag, we have some goodies that I got at a little place called the Covered, what's it called? They don't have their name on anything. And they're local, I think. So I don't know that it would even help them for me to try to promote them. Is it on anything? No, it's not on anything. Even on their earring holder, there's nothing but a little $10 sign. But I love those little gold rectangles that go to a little piece of light colored wood. And that's so lightweight for summer. Can't wait. I think that's going to be great for summer. So I got those. And then I got these. Where your words share hope. Wear, give, inspire. Handcrafted, locally made in Georgia. Proceeds help here and in Haiti. Hashtag never lose hope designs. Ooh, I like that. NLH. Now that was one of the brands that was in this little store. So that little pop-up store I told y'all about. It looks like a little house sitting on a trailer in the middle of the cul-de-sac of our shopping center. It really is very cute. I mean, it looks like a Joanna Gaines, and they have a lot of Joanna Gaines stuff in there, the Magnolia Market stuff. But anyways, let's see. So when I bought this product, it caused someone who's probably either been sex trafficked or is in a third world country to make money. Oh, and I love this. I know who I'm giving this to. This is a friend who is just really struggling, and there is this, the word is overcomer. And what it is it's like a piece of metal and the words in type on white paper, and then it's this kind of magnification bubble on it, and it's like a long 30-inch chain and like an antique gold. And Overcomer is the name. I love that. I love that, love that, love that. And that was $26. I think that's a really nice gift. That would be great for someone who's overcome breast cancer. That would be great for someone who's overcome the pain of losing someone in their life, whether it is from death or divorce. And divorce is the death of a marriage. So that is a very hard trauma on anyone. And people kid about it and say, no, I'm better off. Divorce is always traumatic, y'all. Okay, and so there's that one. And I bought another. What else did I get? From that same vendor. Again, that's Never Lose Hope Designs, NLH. They're obviously Christian. This one is a choker. And this is, I know who this is for. It says Forgiven. It's a friend of mine who says she's a Christian, but she knows she's just a really bad person. I'm like, stop. If you're a Christian, you know that you're forgiven, and we're all bad people. If it weren't for the grace of God to provide us Jesus Christ, and that when we place our faith in Him, we're forgiven. Yep. Completely forgiven. It almost sounds too easy. I have one friend of mine, a guy that was like, I can't come to Christ. I said, why? I said, what is holding you up? And he said, it's just too easy. It just don't seem right. I'm like, it is easy, isn't it? To come to Christ.